What's up guys, my name is Vega Mike 12 and today we are playing some GTA 5 episode GTA 5 episode 5 for the consequence. And we just had a very intense moment. We had a jet after us. And Sean, remember that guy? That Ben Gta5? So we're gonna get revenge on him? That guy's running away, he's too scared. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Oh, he's coming back. Ooh, let's go get him. Got guns? Oh yeah, by the way guys, the gun we have got, the carbon rifle, we stole from the mail brother. Then guy. Level 46. We're driving. Oh, car! No, sorry, Sean. Sorry. No! I'm gonna die. It's auto aiming. Oh, oh, shoot. Come at me, bro. Come on, bro. I ain't scared of him. Nah. Guys, we're doing the 2-5-1 match. I don't care what this guy's gonna do to us, but I don't care if we die a lot. This guy's going down. Son, you stay below him. Oh, he's gonna try and run you over. Huh, huh. Let's go get his vehicle. Let's go get his vehicle. Let's blow it up. Son, blow it up. Set up. Nah, let's shoot it. Okay. Bye, bitch. Right, smash that corner, I smash this corner. Your vehicle. No, sorry, Sean. Sorry. You go check on him. I'll smash his vehicle down. You go shoot him. Boom! Boom! I know what? For luck. Sean, shoot his tires down. I've got bulletproof tires. So don't shoot me. That guy's running away. Take a bite you. Oh, better shoot a shotgun. You shoot the front, I'll shoot the back. You should smoke. On! Say goodbye to your vehicle, monster. It's gonna say, unfortunately, your personal vehicle has been blown up by no one. Oh, guy, where's your vehicle? It's been on fire, Sean. Two more shots. Come on, set that car on fire. Come on. Oh, definitely on fire. Ooh! Ooh! I bet. I paid money for it. $226. That's how much it cost. So you take him out. I'm sneaking up on him. Oh! Shoot me. I can't shoot him. He blew himself up. He blew himself up. Thanks for the money. He's a hacker. Guys, we just defeated a hacker. He's trying to snipe us. He's trying to snipe us. He's trying to. What? Oh, this one back. Oh, my. Nah. What? I got wasted. I got wasted. Oh, so I'm on a gun attack. So I'm on a train. I'm on a train. No, but no, sure, I've got a gun attack. I've got a gun attack. Let him do the gun attack. Go out of it. Let's take the train. You've done the gun attack. This train is ours. Oh my god, this train has all carriages. That guy might, the jet guy might come back. We'll see if we can dodge him on the train. Stop. No, Sean. Where are we going? What? Stop. Get out, get out, get out. What are you doing, man? I'm getting on the train. Wow, the train's bashing me. Come on. Yeah, I'm on. Sean, a little bit too low. I'm on it. What is he trying to do with that car? Are you on a train? Sean! Quick, get on! What a jet! Try and drive on. Try and get on. I'm going to stay in the train. I'm going to stay in the train and talk to my subscribers. Get out the car then! The train. Well, we'll see if someone's coming. Except from you. Oh, shit, you've got company! Guys chasing you! Guys chasing you! He's chasing you! Oh god, quick son, get on. Do you see your vehicle? Oh god, I can't believe that guy chasing you. Oh, he's trying to get to you, but he's... Hi Sean! Whee! Don't land the car in here. We'll see where that other guy's coming from. But that other guy's dead. That got other guys coming for us. That other guy's coming for us. Yeah, you stay in that carriage. I'll stay in this carriage. Well, you want me to defend you? What is that guy even doing? He's taking so long to get to us. He keeps crashing. Oh my god, you see that guy? He keeps crashing. Oh my god. He's never going to reach us. Oh, he's going to a shop. He's going to a shop. He's doing a rob shop. He's doing a shop robbery. Hey, he's doing a shop robbery. Let's go to Los Santos in this car. He's doing a shop robbery. Make sure it's not copyrighted. I don't want it copyrighted. I ain't getting copyrighted. I'll put music on the actual video. Or put it on when you're editing. Oh yeah, Spy's moving again. It might come back to return. Or it might actually catch up. It's actually catching up. I've been watching on the map while all my subscribers are watching as well. Or our subscribers. Oh, he's going back. Oh, he's going back. He's staying slow. He doesn't want to come near us. Yeah? What are they trying to do? Oh! Oh! I thought he was going to come at. Let him go. Let him go. Sure, we're going to get off faster and then we can go and chase him. Yeah? What's up? His name is. If you look on the server, it's the bottom one. It's the bottom one in the server. He's getting wrecked. He's getting wrecked. We're going to so spot him. Yeah! New objectives. I might not have a board with me to show the objective, but that white bit of the train is what we're going to use a board on. So here's our objective. That guy, what's his name again? I forgot his name. Yeah, that guy's name, he is going to get destroyed. So, XC1022, what's the plan? Yes? Okay, and then we're going to parachute and get him. You see? What helicopter? What helicopter? No, it's not. No, it's not. He might get a buzzard. He might get a buzzard. Or he might get a hydra. Incoming! I made it! I made it out alive! So what happened? Oh, you landed! You landed! I can't believe it actually landed. I on 12 minutes of a recording. So we're going to end it. Right, guys, we're going to end the recording here so that we're not going over 50 minutes. We're going to place the recording once we get close to him so you don't get bored. Okay? Bye!